Hello everyone, my name is Jay and I'm going to be walking you through the 72 plate Transits with aircon today. So bodywork's really nice, really clean vehicle. As you can see, load area. It's also very nice in there. No sensors on the back. The plastics are in good shape however, so that's good. Going round into the drivers, a little bit of scuff there from the probably gloves or whatever has been worn, but nothing major. Turn that off, there we go. So the seats are in absolutely perfect condition, no issues there. Steering wheel's fine, I mean it's only a few years old, it should be fine. All the lights work nicely, nothing nasty on the dash, as well as all of your connectivity working absolutely fine, music fine, aircon as I said, all good. Driving modes and traction controls, manual gear stick, cup holder, nothing more you need to know. At the end of the day, it's a Transit, does the job, and it's got aircon, so what's not to love? And it's available at Anchor Vans. See you in a bit.